We are here today to recognize and celebrate the transformation of Lakeview Health over the last few years. The dedication of a new 10,000 square foot wellness center, a 3,200 square foot conference center, and a 7,200 square foot administrative building marks a milestone in the enhancement of treatment services for patients and families struggling with substance abuse and mental health disorders.
The vision for the expansion was twofold. To be comprehensive in our treatment clinically for the patient, the mind, body, spirit, the body part with the wellness center, the mind with the conference center, and then to be supportive for our employee environment.
As our goal being a center of excellence, you have the mind, body, spirit. So our focus on the body is a 10,000 square foot wellness center. Running track up top, the state-of-the-art equipment, a yoga studio, pool out back, and a Find Your Fitness program where it's dedicated to the specific patient on what they want to do and what excites them in fitness.
Addiction can really take a toll on someone's body. So having a wellness center that they can start their new life and move out of that harming the body to proactively having a new step once they leave day one of replacing it with an activity that it not only makes them feel good about themselves, but is repairing the body, bringing it back to where it was before they started that addiction.
We built the conference center to be a center of excellence, a place where there's a lot of teaching and learning about substance abuse. We actually have two different setups in our conference center. As you can see, this is more of a group gathering. We use this side for lectures, so the conference center can be divided.
What's going to happen in the conference center is a lot of learning, interaction, and collaboration. So first off, for the patients, it's going to be a lot of family group interaction. And it'll be a place that alumni can meet, congregate, and reconnect with each other so that they can continue their recovery journey as a team. In addition to that, there'll be areas for the outside community to use, where they can come in and have meetings to get to know about Lakeview. We have a lecture series one time a month, every fourth Friday.
We just really want people to learn here and develop themselves. Kind of going back to the theme of find your true north. Your new constant is learning.
You'll see in the facility that the modern thinking, evidence-based thinking about what can help people recover is represented here. There's an attention to the body, gym, training, exercise, alternatives to drugs and alcohol. There's an emphasis on the mind, psychotherapy, meditation, other activities. And there's just an overall sense of commitment to others and the spirit of helping, which is what recovery is all about.
Welcome to our administrative building. The reason we put together the administrative building was because the amount of clinical and medical staff we needed to expand our program, we had to push out the administrative folks into a separate building. I had no idea that they were going to name the boardroom after servant leadership, but I was very pleased about it because it really highlights what we're all about. Taking care of the server level employee, the nurse, the therapist, the tech, the housekeeping maintenance person that's with the patient every single day. And because we take care of the employee so the employee can take care of the patient. And that's the key driver of our organization.
We committed to our staff, to our leadership team, to our board, and obviously to the patients that we're going to enhance this to be a center of excellence. And we're meeting that objective. We're also planning our, what we call phase 3, the Women's Center, and the remodel of Lakeview North to make it really look nice because it's eventually going to be a gender-specific men's program. We want the next set of residential buildings to exceed those expectations so that when the patient comes, they relax, they feel at home, and they're ready to start their journey and find their true north.